Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief. I hope everyone had a great Easter. We're now on Wednesday the 20th of April 2022. Looking at how crypto has been trading over the past few days since our last session brief, which was just before Good Friday on Thursday there. It's been a little bit turbulent. We have seen a move to the downside, but that quickly got faded back higher. And we're pretty much trading at the same price as where we were at on that Thursday. So not much has changed. Let's take a look at some of the technicals because I got no real news to bring your way in the space for today. We'll first start in Ethereum, which is currently at 3,100. As you can see, we've been able to hold quite successfully so far at the 3,000 handle. And if they do continue to hold here, then we can see a move back into the 3,195. And you can start considering this most recent low from the week at 28.74 as potential higher low in this overall move higher from that correction low that we saw down at 21.45. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, potentially another one in here, which means that if we take out the 3,200 handle next, we can move into the 3,400 area. Looking at Bitcoin, which is currently ticking into the 41,466 area, you can see that was a previous resistance handle and support at 41,265. As you can see, just trying to hold on to there now. Basically, we've got that daily close of just on the level yesterday, and the daily low is basically around that area too. You got the 50-day, I believe, moving average just overhead here, so I expected a little bit of resistance, but I expect us to be able to get through that with relative ease. And then from there, it will be a case of looking onwards into the 4,500 area. Remember the channel which we've been talking about? Well, we came into that the bottom of the channel yesterday, not quite touching it, but near enough, and got that bounce that we were looking for. If we get through the 50 today, then it's a case of trading back up into the top of the channel, so into the 45 and then even the 48 area, that 200-day moving average, and we could have seen that low being put in at the bottom of the channel as we were expecting and anticipating. Litecoin pretty much sideways over the past few days. You can see yesterday was a pretty strong day after initially moving lower, gapped lower, but yesterday just moving higher to finish the day pretty strongly, and a move into 120 could be on the cards if we can take out that previous high. You can see that 115, 114. Ripple just doing a little bit of range trading at the moment. You can see some resistance being faced at one of our levels there at 78 cents. Downside support being put in at 75 cents. So you can see the daily closes being just above that 75 cents handles, and if you can continue to hold above that, then we'd like to see a retest of 0.78. Overhead 0.85 would be the next area that we can target, and again, like on Ethereum, like on Bitcoin, have we been able to print another higher low in this overall move lower? You can see here the trend line just about being able to hold, albeit we did just poke beneath it at one point. Ascending trend line I'm talking about now. If they can be able to hold on to this, then it's a case of moving higher. If they can't at 75 cents, then we look to retest that current weekly low and even that most recent low from last week down near 68.45. I'll wrap up the crypto session brief there. There's not much else to add. No major headlines to send your way for today. I'll post this inside the crypto chat, and if there's anything else further, we'll discuss in there. Until next time, all the best with your crypto trading, and bye for now.